So, Basitrasos here with our brothers,
Sisters.
sisters, uncles.
Hello guys, Happy New Year. Welcome to 2024. So in this video, I'm going to share something about Mahabodhi Temple in Bihar. As you know, in all India, this temple is considered one of the most biggest temple in India, and also is considered one of the most famous place for pilgrimage in India. The Mahabodhi Temple, literally Great Awakening Temple, or the Mahabodhi Mahavihara, is an ancient but rebuilt and restored Buddhist temple in Bodh Gaya, Bihar, India, making the location where the Buddha is said to have attained enlightenment. Bodh Gaya is 15 kilometers from Gaya and is about 96 or 110 kilometers from Patna. The site contains a descendant of the Bodhi tree, under which Buddha gained enlightenment, and has been a major pilgrimage destination of Buddhists for over 2000 years. Some of the site's elements date to the period of Ashoka. What is now visible on the ground dates from the 6th century EC, or possibly earlier, as well as several major restorations since the 9th century. The structure, however, also potentially incorporates large part of the earlier work, possibly from the 2nd and 3rd century after Christ. Archaeological finds from the site indicate that the place was a site of veneration for Buddhists since at least the Mauryan periods. In particular, the Vajrasana, which is located within the temple itself, has been dated to the 3rd century before Christ. The main temple survivor is especially impressive, as it was mostly made of brick covered with stucco, material that are much less durable than stone. However, it is understood that very little of the original sculptural decorations was survived. Traditional accounts say that around 589 before Christ, Siddhartha Gautama, a young prince who saw the suffering of the world and wanted to end it, reached the forest bank of the Phalgu River near the city of Gaya, India. There he sat in meditation under a peepal tree, which later became known as the Bodhi tree. According to Buddhist scriptures, after 3 days and 3 nights, Siddhartha attained enlightenment and answered that he had sought. In that location, Mahabodhi temple was built by Emperor Ashoka in around 216 BC. The Buddha then spent the succeeding 7 weeks at 7 different spots in the vicinity meditating and standing and stared uninterrupted at the Bodhi tree. The spot is marked by the Amishloka stupa, that is, the unblinking stupa or shrine, to the northern east of the Mahabodhi temple complex. There stands a statue of Buddha with his eyes fixed towards the Bodhi tree. The Buddha is said to have walked back and forth between the location of the Amishloka stupa and the Bodhi tree. According to the legend, lotus flowers sprung up along these roads. It is now called Ratna Chakrama or the Jewel Walk. It spent the 4th week near Ratnagar, Chaitya, to the northeast side. He spent the 6th week next to the lotus pond. He spent the 7th week under the Rajyatna tree. The Bodhi tree at the Bodh Gaya is directly connected to the life of the historical Buddha, Siddhartha Gautama, who attained enlightenment or omniscient wisdom when he was meditating under it. The temple was built directly to the east of the Bodhi tree, supposedly a direct descendant of the original Bodhi tree. According to the Buddhist mythology, if no Bodhi trees grows at the site, the ground around the Bodhi tree is devoid of all plants for a distance of 1 royal karisa. Through the ground around the Bodhi tree, no being, not even an elephant, can travel. In approximately 250 before Christ, about 200 years after the Buddha attained enlightenment, the Emperor Ashoka of the Mauryan Empire visited Bodh Gaya in order to establish a monastery and shrine on the holy site, which have today disappeared. On the other hand, when we look up to the temple, the railing also around the Mahabodhi temple at Bodh Gaya are quite ancient. These are old sandstone sport. These are old stones post dating about 115 BC during the Sangha period. Okay.
बाहर 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 बाहर
Do you pas di deux pas menado Simdi la cagne du nado
오케이 다 같이 해래 근데 막바 가야 돼 네네네네 그래 가능하지 클러치 또 내미 원치도 안 먹어지 네 오늘 수고하시네 오늘 디클래스 네임대로 파셔들 틀려야지 네임대로 파셔 꼴하게도 니고 내용만 파셔들 내용만 네 내용만 틀려야지 다들 틀려야지 근데 딜레 민들 수부 컷도 되다 강하게 시험은 수부 컷도 되다 그 요거다 까만 요거다 별로 임벌다 내 달아야 돼 ताइना फिर सो ओ तेरे उन्हें बहुत नौ सच पे अब दो Ini kau yang ke sudah sah deh bawa lagi tu. Cuci tong kakak. Nama. 봤어.
스쿠리다 다니는 거야.
얘를 갈라도.
야, 뒤에 신어서도.
민원에 바고 다시 스쿠터 땅입니다. 기움 들어. 얘를 개땅.
The New Year Eve down there, the Kola. Kima Kola.
Simlana su dikirang ne tulip kidu kane tena yang kirang kasar tom kidu temeni lamang layang yang yungkin kumo keki chora le de balam di pero ngisim nang shalalala shalalala tema kira tume ngisim kasalala ngisim nang shalalala shalalala tema kira tume ngisim Shalala shalala, ngisim diki pala, kishere jetu kapla simdi nang la ulala. Shalala shalala, ngi baby tulaka, kishere jetu kapla simdi nang la ulala. Temeni lamang layang.
Okay, thank you for listening and watching my video. I hope you enjoyed and I hope that you gain some knowledge about Mahabodhi Temple. So let's meet you in next video. Till then, take care of your health and stay peace. Thank you.